Stay tuned for something fun at the end of the video.
MDO the cleanser. This is gentle but effective detoxifying waterless cleanser. Now I love to use this in the AM, and I just wipe it on, and then I use a cotton pad soaked with a bit of water, and I remove everything. It leaves the skin cleansed, pore deep. Skin looks and feels fresh, glowing, and looking smoother and more youthful. I had some skincare questions for Dr. Ourian, and the first one is, to what extent will you see improvements to your skin while using MDO products? The wonder product of the 28-day routine is the highly effective 10% alpha hydroxy acid exfoliant. Weekly application stimulates cell renewal, which not only reduces wrinkles, but also improves the skin's overall appearance. Pigmentation spots are reduced and the skin becomes more even. So this is the exfoliant, and this is what we were just talking about in the question and answer. So of course, if you apply this regularly, your pores will be refined, your skin will appear more and more even, youthful, and incredibly smooth and glowing. For more information on the exfoliant, I had one more question. Why should you only exfoliate once a week, and what is the science behind this product? And Dr. Ourian says, our 10% alpha hydroxy acid exfoliant is an innovative chemical peel. It penetrates deep into the skin and exfoliates from the inside out so that the new skin layer is baby skin. As it is quite heavily formulated, it should only be used once a week and should only be applied for 10 minutes. MDO the serum. Now I've been using this at night, every night, and it's leaving my skin replenished and hydrated. It looks smoother, firmer, and radiantly glowing. Now this supports elastin and collagen development. It stimulates hyaluronic acid synthesis and improves the skin's barrier for firmer, smoother, and younger looking skin. How do you properly layer serums? Dr. Ourian says, always apply from the lightest to the most rich serum. Now the MDO serum, due to its liquid consistency, the skin absorbs the serum immediately, so there's no need to wait more